Hi friends, Rebecca here. Today I'm sharing with you my tips and tricks on how to make your own realistic marbled wax seals. So tip number 1 is wax placement. The sealing wax beads here, I've placed 2 of each colour next to each other on a diagonal. You can see the grey is towards the back, and often the colour at the back of the spoon that's away from the point where you pour out is usually the colour to end up on top, so keep that in mind. As I'm pouring here, this is tip number 2. Make sure you use a random swirling pattern. Don't do circles, don't go back and forwards consistently. Keep it random, up and down, side to side, round and round. That's what's going to get you that realistic marble look. Okay, tip number 3 is stamp selection. I've chosen the Goddess wax seal here and it really suits this marbled look. It's got a very classical Roman look. Tip number 4 is colour selection. Choose 2 colours at least that have a slight contrast between them. I've gone with Dove Grey and Warm White. I love this combination because it really does give that realistic marble look. I hope these tips here today have helped you out and that you'll be making your own marbled wax seals. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. The wax sealing supplies I've used in this video today can be found at my online store bound.com.au.